How's it going today, guys? In the garage today, got the Ariens push mower, self-propel with the Briggs & Stratton 675 series engine, and this is just going to be a quick tip. And if you guys pull it out, if you guys store your equipment like I do, and you fold down the handlebars for the winter to fit it in the shed, and you come back out and you put it back all together, and you notice that your handlebars are out of whack. I'm not sure how, if you can tell in this video, might be a little bit hard to tell. There you go, maybe from this angle. So I got the camera perfectly level, but as you can see, this handlebar is actually lower than that handlebar. And at first I thought the bars were bent. As you can see, this side is definitely higher than this side. So what I did notice is that if you take a look down here where you actually unscrew it to get the bars off for the winter, you fold it down. There's one here and then one on this side. There's actually 1, 2, and 3 adjustment holes. So if you take a look at this side, you got one in the middle hole, and on this side, wouldn't you know it, there's actually, this one's in the top hole. So depending on the height you want, that's obviously a height adjustment in addition to removing the bars. So I like mine up all the way. So a quick fix would be to just undo this knob, push the bolt through. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Push the bolt back through when you get it in the top, and put your knob back on. So just in case if you thought maybe you bent the bars over the winter time during storage and maybe you messed something up, then here's your quick fix. Straight as an arrow now. Alright guys, so if this helped you out, if you like the content, sure would like for you to hit the subscribe button. That definitely helps me out. And if you hit the notification button, that will also let you know when I have new videos coming out. So until next time guys, take care.